Everyone, this is Kiko Vlog, Philippine actor-based thinker of Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Kaya gagawa natin reaction video ang Bardang Violation. So without further ado, let's start this reaction video. Ano pang next dito? Ay, bakit si Kim Chiu yan? Ay, bakit tumigil
Parang
tayo
I
doon?
always
Hindi pa
have
natin natapos yun.
Kasi medyo,
Wait.
I'd like to think na nag-mature na rin
Hindi pa natin natapos
yung
yun.
having the need to build
Wait.
and by the way, I am speaking in
Ayan,
general.
dito tayo natapos.
Ito po ay base po sa experience ko in general.
Alam mo, pagdating sa interview,
Yung having
Pep maganda
the
din.
need to build a good
Maganda
working
din yung Pep,
relationship
ah.
with your on-screen partner and having to maintain it. Kasi, unfortunately, it's not all the time na you like the person right away. Eh, syempre, halos araw-araw kayo magkasama, hindi ba?
Ay,
So,
ayan na.
may extra effort and extra work that you have to put in para talagang kilalanin yung tao, intindihin yung tao. And I understand that very much now kasi mas naiintindihan ko yung konsepto ng love team. So, and I'd like to think na nag-mature na rin ako. So, ako naman, I'm always willing to do that extra work. Pero syempre, it just as long as they don't disrespect me, my time, and my job.
Okay. That kind of reveal na to do if given a chance.
I always say this. Gusto ko po talagang maging serial killer.
Ay, talaga.
Sobrang layo, I know. Kaya sobrang layo sa itsura ko. Kaya baka nga hindi pa nangyayari, hindi ko pa nagagawa kasi medyo challenging siya for a writer to imagine me as a serial killer. Pero I am willing talaga po, as in sobrang dream ko pong role yun. I learned a lot. I learned not to take things seriously and to take things seriously at the same time, if that makes any sense.
Okay.
And also, if there's something I want to change, I could have done more films given the chance and the time. Kasi para sa akin, looking back, parang GMA has given me so much talaga, so much projects and so much TV projects na masasabi kong I'm really grateful for. Pero given the chance, sana nakagawa pa ako ng mas maraming pelikula na talagang panglaban ng international film festivals. Kasi na-experience kong makarating ng Estonia dahil nirepresent ko yung Tuos, isa sa mga independent films with Miss Nora Honor and directed by Derek Cabrido. So gusto ko yung ganong experience kasi sobrang
Hindi pa natin
fulfilling
talaga
niya as an
napanood.
actress and as an artist. Thank you so much!
Anyways. Ay, ano to? Ay, ito. Ay, Barbie. Ito. Ay, nahiya pa talaga dito si Gino. Bro, kung bang nananaig dito kay Gino for today's video. Bro, kung na talaga siya. Sa totoo lang. Ang titig niya. Kala mo naman talaga may karapatan siya. Judo din talaga. Totoo ba? Totoo ba? May mga ganong atake pa talaga sila, oh. Yes, David. Grabe yung tingin ni David. Ay, inayos pa niya talaga ang buhok ni Barbie. Inayos pa niya talaga, ma'am. Saan dalahin? Pagkat mahal kita, mahalaga, mahal kita. Ay. Si David, yung mga mata niya nangungusap. Diba? Nangungusap talaga ng tipo. Ganon. Hindi ganon. Walang ganon. Barbie harap. Barbie harap daw. Alam mo, sa 1 minute and 43 seconds, titigan lang sila ng titigan. O, titigan na naman sila talaga. Hindi, ay, ganun talaga ba yan? Ay, tapos na. Ay, si Derek. Si Derek na naman yung pinapartner nila. May jowa nga ni. Ay, ano to? Ay, hindi si Monique. Wait. Ay, ano to? This one.
Everyone really looks forward to our episode, Perfect Christmas.
Perfect Christmas.
We will
Hindi
go
pa sila
through
nagsastart
the
mag-taping
lives
nito,
of
no?
The employees, the ones working during the holidays, may tumatango. During the
Pero-
holidays, we have to really push the sales. And so, I don't know, maybe the bosses tend to forget that we're humans too, you know? We need to celebrate with our families. And so, but then,
behind all that,
kind of find someone unexpected, but very exciting to be with, which is
but then, behind all that,
is our
anyways, what's next? Ay, si Belle. Magaling din si Belle in fairness kay Belle. Ay, ano to? Oh. Prima donna talaga siya, no? Prima donna talaga siya. I love it. I love her being prima donna. Sa totoo lang. Kaya niya talaga mag-portray ng iba't ibang karakter. Actually, doon sa tingin niya, dito sa part na to, ang masasabi ko, pwede talaga siya mag serial killer. Yan, oh. Serial killer, di ba? Yan ang sinasabi ko. Ano bang next? What's next? Ito yung Karen Davila. Ay, ano to? Ano to, ma'am?
Ayoko ng mistiso, pero mukha...
Ito.
Ang boyfriend ko ngayon
Ay, Barbie's boyfriend revelation. Sino?
Jonathan Bale.
No. Ano?
Ano
Alam
daw?
nyo, minabasa mo kasi ako a novel love story. Doon, uso pala ang book boyfriend. Ang book boyfriend ko ngayon ay si
Book
Jonathan.
boyfriend. Taray.
kasi siya.
Sana all. Ano bang next? Hanap pa tayo mga ma'am. Ay, oh, loko.
Ako
Kaya
sinasabi
niya
ko
yun.
talaga.
Oh. Ganda. Saan to? Beauty Empire Star, Barbie Fortesa. Grabe, hindi natutulog pa. Grabe, ang ganda niya. Ganda ng buhok yun. Ayos na ayos, no? Pak. Ay, yes. Diba? Ganda ni Barbie. Anyway, so this is our for today's video. From Boy na Compilation. This is Kibo Vlogs and see you on the next vlog. Bye!